Hey, here's J Doggy Dog. We're gonna play a little bit of Nerf Wars. So we got this gun right here. So we listen in the comments below who's gonna win, Jalen or me, Jaden. I mean J Doggy Dog. Sorry. Alright. Okay, so you're gonna look at his angle instead of my angle, cause I'm gonna put you in a different angle to see. And it's gonna be a little bit hard, and you won't be seeing me a little bit, but like, oh, I hope I didn't break that gun. Let's go. No, I'm joking. But yeah, you're gonna be seeing his angle. We're gonna have a good Nerf war and a fair Nerf war. We're gonna be switching back and forth. So you're gonna be seeing after whoever wins this war. First you're gonna be seeing his angle, and then once we switch, you're gonna be seeing my angle. So, have say, I mean, if you think this is a good video, let's do this. You ready?
Yep. Go.
Oh. Bullets. Oh, ah. Oh God, that hurt. That hurt.
Okay, round.
It's round 2 now. 2. Yeah. So he almost won, but like it was very good. It was a good war. So here's round 2. We're gonna come up with a new Nerf war, and we gonna pretty much be adding new guns. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So let's do this. Take our some views. Hey. Yeah. Y'all gonna be listen to the comments below and see who's gonna win the second round. So let's give us a good look.
Hold on, send up. One second.
Yeah.
There you go. No, we switch.
And yeah, we do be switching guns. So yeah.
Oh, and another FYI, every round we switch. There you go, Joe.
And this is what he's using.
Hold on, still
And yeah, I forgot. This is what I'm using. Hello, Jalen's viewers. Yep. Hey, it's me, Jaden, his friend. Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Hold on. Here, wait for all by saying. Hold on. Wait for all by saying. What are you doing?
And yeah, y'all gonna be seeing people walking through, so don't mind about that. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do this.
Put it in the.
We just saying to our viewers, if you want to say something.
Hey viewers, peace.
That's it. Thought it would. Thought it would. Okay, let's do this. Here you go. We switch. Remember? And yeah, listen. Oh, listen to the description. Who's gonna win? Round 3. And yeah, you too. Yeah, let's win this. Hey, let's win this. Who's ever on my channel, and let's win this. Who's ever on Jalen's channel. All right, keep it cool. You too, my channel. All right, let's do this.
I'm coming in a sec.
What's up? Oh God. And yeah, this is what gun I'm using. Yeah, what I'm gun. Whoever's Jalen's viewers and my viewers. This is what kind of gun I got. No, I ain't gonna do that.
There you go.
Oh. You ready?
Wait.
Yeah, y'all, the viewers caught a glimpse of me.
Okay, so. Alright, go.
Oh, I'm out of bullets for real. Oh, God. Oh. Wait, that's another in there? Yeah! Oh, God.
Reload.
Last one, you never fall on the ground. Oh, that hurt. Now you kind of gonna catch a glimpse of me, my viewers. Sure, I love y'all. I ain't on my way. If y'all guys are out there, good. So we're gonna get this ready for round 4.
10.
There are 10 rounds, so I don't think y'all want to stay in that. So we're gonna have 6 rounds. 6 rounds. So
How about 8?
Look, yeah. Yeah, there's only gonna be 6. He said 10, but it's 6. So yeah. So let's get this started. And yeah, my viewers, Jalen will get on your nerves if you know, annoy you. So I got my gun back. I'm popping with it. This is what gun I'm using.